Hi everyone! Today I want to show you this EVAPLUS power charger. I bought it for myself to charge my 36-volt e-bike battery. This charger has tiny light indicator. It turns red when you plug it in and it becomes green when fully charged. It goes with the standard cords. Let me plug it in. Okay, these standard cords, each part being about 36 inches long. The connector has a 5.5 millimeters diameter and an inner diameter of 2.1 millimeter. Just make sure that this power charger is suitable for the battery you want to charge and give it a try. Thanks for watching.